Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue when your payment method is declined on the App Store in 25. If you have been facing this problem, stay tuned and watch till the end. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up the settings app on your device. Once you're in the settings tab on your Apple ID profile at the very top of the screen. Next, go to the payment and shipping option and tap on it. This will prompt you to verify your identity or use another authentication method. Once you're in, you'll see at the payment method link to your Apple ID. Here's where you need to take action. Remove any outdated or incorrect payment methods. Now go ahead and add a new payment method, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. Just follow the on-screen prompts to that. Once your new payment method is set up, this should resolve the issue and fix up App Store payment decline. And that is it. That's all for today's video. I hope this helped you out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.